Hello and welcome to my unboxing of the XCOOL USB Type-C cable 4-in-1 6 feet 100 watt gray from the store on Amazon called XCOOL Official. That's XCOOL. To tell you about some of these features, this first became available on Amazon on July 12, 2023. This is model C75. It currently sells for $27.99. It is compatible with laptops, tablets, smartwatches, power banks, and smartphones. It has some of the features are 480 megabits per second data transfer, anti-tangle, fast charging, 100,000 Ben lifespan. It weighs 3.2 ounces and has a 5 amp if you plug it into an AC adapter, 5 amp power rating. So I wanted to show you what some of the parts of the box look like. That's the bottom, there's the top, and the sides they just say XCOOL. The back has a bunch of stuff on it. So this is what it looks like for the Amazon barcode. And without further ado, let's go ahead and proceed with the unboxing. I'm going to go ahead and cut this open with an X-Acto knife and show you what the unboxing is about. So let's see. Rip off that plastic. So what is this? Wow, it's not easy to open. Okay, from the bottom. Here we go. Is that it? Or something else? Oh. Wow. So you get these two little boxes here. And let's see what's in the little box. Looks like a Velcro strap. And what is that? Looks like a cable organizer, like something you put on the side of your desk, and you stick your cable heads here to keep them organized. So there's that. And let's see, and then the big box, what do we have here? So the actual cable itself, so this is 6 feet and it's flat, and it's supposed to have anti-tangle built in. Let's go ahead and see what this looks like when it's unwound. Go. Okay, so I'm gonna guess that this end is the end that you plug in to an AC adapter or a laptop charging port, and then this end is probably something else. Let me see, how do we open this? Let's see, first undo the Velcro. Okay, so this is the lightning part that they're showing you here. Supposed to be able to open, I think. Maybe the other side. So they're just showing me lightning, but I suspect, so that's what it is. So you have to push the button here and then pull up. Let me try it again. And then you reveal the other end, what's inside. So this end has the USB type A connector with the USB type C underneath, and snap it back, push the button, pull up to reveal that. And then the other end that has the lightning on top, push the button and pull up. This has USB type C underneath the lightning connector. So this is the 4 ends that I'm going to show you. So you have USB type A and USB type C, USB type C, and then lightning, so you can support most types of connections except the micro USB type A, which I guess this is saying, okay, that's obsolete. So we can charge up all the current stuff right now, which would be lightning and USB type C. So there you have it. So snap it back in, snap it back in, and there you have it. So thanks very much for watching my video. If you have any questions about this, please feel free to drop me a note in the comments below. Thanks very much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.